Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Tandem HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in tandemhr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Tandem HR. Now from the home page, click on the QTI HR option at the top right corner and you will find the employee login button. Go ahead and click on it and now you will end up within the login portal. Now within the username section, type in the username that you have entered while setting up your account and signing up, and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Tandem HR right away. In case you have forgotten your username or password, you can find the forgot username and the forgot password button, which you can click on to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Tandem HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.